5 Best Vacuum for Furniture Reviews. Number 1. Liftoff Power Glide Upright Bagless Vacuum by Bissell. Something that a lot of standard upright vacuums do not typically offer is the ability to be taken apart easily so that they can clean things other than floors. In order to clean furniture or upholstery, you'll need to work with their side tools, extensions, or attachments, and this can be frustrating. Bissell's Liftoff Power Glide fixes this issue by essentially being 2 vacuums in one. You can use it as a normal upright vacuum, or you can remove the body and use that as its own canister-type vacuum for furniture. This makes it convenient for furniture and upholstery, especially furniture. Number 2. Razor Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner with Swivel Steering by Dirt Devil. Most vacuum cleaners that claim they have swivel steering usually only have partial swivel steering. In most cases, you'll still need to line your vacuum cleaner back up to get into the spaces that you need to get into, and this is frustrating. Fortunately, the Razor by Dirt Devil has swivel steering that will impress you and not let you down. It is much more flexible than other vacuum cleaners that utilize swivel steering, and this will make navigating much easier. You will notice a difference when you find that you will be able to turn the Razor 180 degrees. Dirt Devil has always been a brand that has prided itself on being extremely powerful when it comes to removing dirt, and the Razor is no exception to this. Number 3. Cordless Stick Vacuum by Onsen. It can be very difficult to find a vacuum that you can not only take anywhere with you but also is able to clean more than just furniture or upholstery. It can be even more difficult to find a vacuum that can do these things that is also cordless. Look no further than Onsen's Stick Vacuum if you are looking for these kinds of things. You'll be able to use it for nearly anything that might require a vacuum, whether it is your floor, upholstery, or your furniture. You can even use Onsen's Stick Vacuum to clean walls and ceilings. Literally nothing is out of its reach. Do most vacuums allow you to clean with proficiency in the dark? Not really. Onsen solves this problem with its stick problem here as well, as its brush head contains LED lighting. Number 4. Cordless Stick Vacuum by Joshin. Stick vacuums offer the most when it comes to convenience, and while this is no different with Joshin's vacuum, it does contain a few things that make it a little better than most other stick vacuums. Something that is missing from most stick vacuums is a proper filtering system for all the dirt they pick up. Most stick vacuums just contain a dust cup, a small filter, and nothing else. While this is acceptable if you are just using it as a form of a mini vacuum, you will want a better filtering system if you intend to use a stick vacuum for the entire house. One nice thing that you'll notice immediately with Joshin's stick vacuum is that it has a filtering system that rivals the bigger cleaning machines. It has a washable filter as well as a HEPA filter, which you will not find in most stick vacuums. You'll be able to clean anything around the house with confidence as a result. Number 5. PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum by Eureka. Bagless upright vacuums are typically every bit as powerful as any vacuum that has a bag in place, but one small thing about them that turns some off is that their dust cups do not have a lot of capacity. Indeed, you are likely to find yourself emptying the dust cup a lot more than you might want to when it comes to these bagless vacuums. Eureka has solved this issue in a big way with its PowerSpeed. Its dust cup measures to 1 whole liter, making it significantly bigger than most other bagless vacuums. Also, true to its name, the PowerSpeed is every bit as powerful as any bagged vacuum is with its dynamic motor and brush roll. If you need to clean furniture, upholstery, or even walls and ceilings, you will be able to do so easily with the PowerSpeed.